Hello students, we are doing chapter number 9, linear equations and linear inequalities, exercise 9.2. In this exercise you will get the word problems based on linear equations. So first we will change this given statement into the equation and then we have to solve these equations. So first question is given, if 7 is added to 5 times a number, the result is 57. Find the number. So we will take here, let number is x. Now according to the question we will go. First step, if 7 is added to 5 times a number, it means 7 we have to add 5 times of a number means 5x. The result is means equal to symbol we have to put 57. So this statement like this you have to frame out in equation. Now we have to solve this. This 7 is here in addition. When we will shift another side, it will go for subtraction. So we have 5x is equal to 50. And now this 5 also we will shift another side. So this 5 will go for division. Cancel out. So the value of x is 10. It means the number is 10. Next question number 2. Find a number such that 1/4 of the number is 3 more than 7. So we have taken here, let the number is x. Now according to the question, 1/4 of a number, 1/4 of a number means x by 4. This number is more than this number. It means if we take the difference between this number is more and this is smaller. So x by 4 minus 7 and the difference between these two numbers is 3. 1/4 of a number is more than 7 and by how much? It is by 3. So difference will come 3. First this 7 we will shift another side. It will go for addition. So x by 4 is equal to 10. Now this 4 also we can shift another side. This 4 will go for multiplication. So the number is 40. Next question number 3. A number is as much as greater than 15 as it is less than 51. Find the number. So we have taken, let the number is x. Now condition is that this number is between 15 and 51. And it is given this number is more than 51 but less than 51. Sorry, this number is more than 15 but less than 51. And the difference between here and here it is same. So according to the question, first difference here x minus 15 we will take because 50x is greater than 15 and this difference is equal to the difference between these two numbers, and this side we will take 51 minus x because 51 is greater here. Now we can shift variable one side and number another side. This minus x when we will shift here it will become plus x, and minus 15 when we shift another side it will become plus 15. So x plus x, 2x is equal to 66, and 2 also we can shift another side. 2 will go for division, cancel out, and x is equal to 33. It means the number is 33. Next question number 4. If half is subtracted from a number and the difference is multiplied by 4, the result is 5. What is the number? So let the number is x. Now according to the question, first we have to subtract half from the number. It means x minus 1 by 2. Now this result we have to multiply with 4. So this whole thing we will multiply with 4 and the result is means equal to symbol we will put equal to 5. First remove this bracket. 4 into x will become 4x and 4 into 1 by 2 will become 4 by 2. Here this with 2 you can cancel out 2 times. 4x minus 2 is equal to 5. Shift to another side, it will become 5 plus 2. 4x is equal to 7. Then 4 also we can shift another side, x is equal to 7 by 4. So therefore the number is 7 by 4. Next question number 5. The sum of two numbers is 80 and the greater number exceeds twice the smaller number by 11. Find the number. So let the numbers are if we have taken first number as x, then second number will be 80 minus x. For example, suppose the sum of two number is 5 and first number is 2. So obviously second number will be 5 minus 2, 3. Then only we will get sum equal to 5. So same thing we will do here. First number we have taken as x, second number will be 80 minus x because their sum is 80. Now according to the question we will frame the equation. The greater number exceed. Greater, we can take any number as greater. So suppose I have taken this first number is greater. So greater number exceed, always we have to put minus symbol. Twice the smaller number. Twice the smaller number, this a second number. By means equal to symbol 11. So it means greater number is more than this twice the smaller number by 11. So we will take here difference. For exceed we have to put minus symbol. Now first we will remove this bracket. 2 into 80 will become 160 and minus 2 into minus x will become plus 2x is equal to 11. So x plus 2x will become 3x and minus 160 we can shift another side, it will become plus 160. So 3x is equal to 171 and x is equal to 171 by 3. Cancel out 3 5 ja and 7 ja. So it means first number is 57. Therefore first number is 57 and second number we have taken second number 80 minus x means 80 minus 57 is equal to 23. Next question number 6. Find three consecutive odd numbers whose sum is 87. So consecutive means which are in continuity and we have to take here odd numbers. So for example, suppose first odd number I have taken 5. So next one will be 5 plus 2 7 and then next one will be 7 plus 2 9. So the difference between odd numbers is 2 here. So we will take, let number is first number if we take x, then second number will be x plus 2 and third number will be x plus 4. Always remember for odd number and for even number we have to take number like this. And if only the consecutive numbers are there, then the difference will be 1 1. X plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, like this we have to take. Now we will frame the equation according to the question. Their sum is 87. So sum means we have to add these numbers. So x plus 2 plus x plus 4. If we add these three number, answer is coming 87. So x plus x will become 3x. 2 plus 4 will become 6, which is equal to 87. 6 we can shift another side. So 87 minus 6, 3x is equal to 81. So x value will be 81 by 3. Cancel out 3 2s and 7. So first number is 27. So therefore numbers are, first number is 27, second number will be 27 plus 2, 29 and third number will be 27 plus 4, 31. Next question number 7. In a class of 35 students, the number of girls is 2/5 of the number of boys. Find the number of girls in the class. So suppose we have taken the number of girls is x. Then the number of boys will be 35 minus x, because the total strength is 35. From the total strength, if we remove the girls, then only the boys' strength will be there. Now we will frame the equation. According to the question, the number of girls is means equal to symbol 2/5 of number of boys. We will substitute values. Number of girls we have taken as x. 2/5 of number of boys we have taken 35 minus x. This 5 we can shift here. It will come for multiplication. 5x is equal to 2. 35 minus x. Remove this bracket first. 5x is equal to 70 minus 2x. This 2x also we can shift this side. It will come for addition, equal to 70. 5 plus 2, 7x is equal to 70. So x is equal to 70 by 7 equal to 10. Therefore, the number of girls in the class is 10. Next, question number 8. A chair costs rupees 250 and a table costs rupees 400. If a housewife purchases a certain number of chairs and 2 tables of rupees 2800, find the number of chairs she purchased. So let the number of chairs she has purchased is equal to x. Now we will find out the total money. Cost for one chair is equal to 250 rupees and she has purchased x chairs. So therefore the cost of x chairs will be 250 into x will get 250x. Now for table also we will find out. Cost of one table is 100 rupees. 400 rupees. Therefore the cost of two table, because she has purchased two table, will be 400 into 2 is equal to 800 rupees. Now we will frame the question. According to the question, the total money she paid 2800 rupees. It means the chair cost and the table cost, if we add, it will be equal to the 2800. So according to the question, 250x plus 800, this should be equal to 2800. Now 800 we can shift another side. It will go for subtraction. So we will get 250x is equal to 2000. Now 250 also we can shift another side. 250 will go for division. 1 0 we can cancel, and from 5 table or directly from 25 table you can cancel. 8 times it will go. So the value of x is here. It means the number of chairs she purchased is equal to 8. So in this video we will do till here. Remaining questions we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.